Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss about the top 10 medical coding jobs. If you want to earn up to 1 lakh per month, if you want to settle in abroad like America, UAE, New Zealand or Saudi, etc. If you want to enhance your career, please watch this complete presentation. Thank you. Don't miss any coding related news. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel now, so that you can be updated every day or alternate day. We will provide you all the updates about the medical coding and billing. In top 10 medical coding billing jobs, the first place goes to IPDRG coders. As I told you previously in so many presentations, IPDRG has huge demand in the market. Due to COVID situation in America and throughout the worldwide, there are more admissions and there are more admissions to the ED also. Hence, expect more work in coming days. And if I get certified in CCS or CAC with a DRG knowledge and hands-on on medical records, you can get salary up to 90,000 per month. There are students out there, my students are there who has done IPDRG training from medicine and has CCA certification. They are earning up to 1 lakh per month. And some students experience 5 years, they charge $5 per start. So IPDRG coding is the topmost highly paid job in medical coding billing field. The second top paying medical coding job is Australian modification. If you learn ICD-10 AM coding and HIMA certification from Australia, you can earn up to 70,000 per month in India. However, minimum salary starts from 15,000 rupees, and in medicine we placed more than 500 students in IAM coding in past 1 year. Also, there is more demand in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, Singapore. This is an excellent opportunity if you want to work in above countries, and earning potential is huge. However, you should require a CPC certification with the experience of minimum 2 to 3 years. If anyone is going to Australia or New Zealand or any other country like Saudi or Qatar, don't miss this training. Please make a note. Just with the certification in AM coding, you won't get the visa. If you have visa, this is very useful for you. Immediate placement is available in the Saudi, Qatar, New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, and Singapore if you are certified with a appropriate knowledge in the AM coding. The third place goes to EM auditing. Even as per the OAG and as per the CERT, comprehensive error rate testing by Medicare and RACs, the RACs also announced that there are more errors in EM coding and EM modifiers. Currently, EM auditors earns up to 50,000 per month. Minimum salary will be 25,000 per month. You have to get the certification called CEMC, Certified EM Coder. I suggest one thing. If you are good in outpatient coding, if you have more passion to learn, and if you don't want any stress, I suggest you to go for the EM ordering. Excellent feature. Wait for the proper job. Don't sign a job in hurry. EM auditors, more demand in the market. And to become EM auditor, you should have the proper medical knowledge and also expertise knowledge in the EM coding and EM auditing, especially 1995 and 1997 guidelines. The fourth position goes to surgery coding. As you know, surgery coding is highly complex, and employers they prefer mostly doctors or paramedics, or especially B pharmacy students, because these people has a medical knowledge. You should have CP certification and also experience of 5 years. Surgery coders salary is very high. There are students who makes 1 lakh per month, and there are people who make 30,000-40,000 per month. And if you are good in surgery coding and surgery modifiers, trust me, employers may give work to the home because employers requires skilled coders. If you have a skill, people will come to you. So make a note. surgery coding has high demand. And by profession, by education, if you're a doctor or pharmacy graduate, please don't miss this opportunity. I'm telling this with my experience, almost 17 years in this field. I've seen the live work in America, UAE, and India. Surgery coders, huge demand in the market, especially accuracy and precision is important. Surgery coders, the surgery coding. Please apologize for the grammatical errors because recording is difficult sometimes in slides. Thank you. The fifth position goes to IVR coding, but I can say IVR coding is a top position, but there are very less jobs are there. If you are certified in CIRCC from AAPC, and if you are a medical student, you can get salary up to 70 to 80,000 per month. CIRCC is a difficult exam, but if you study properly, you can easy to pass. Requires proper training. You should have experience in the coding up to 5 years. IVR coding, IVRC coding is very complex. It requires medical knowledge. Cardiac catheterizations, interventional procedures requires lots of patience. But once you get the grip on the subject, you can earn up to 1 lakh per month. And as I said previously, if you are good in the subject, companies they give work to the home. The problem in this IVR coding is because it is complex, outsourcing is not as much as the OP coding. But there are so many companies out there who are doing IVR coding. If we get opportunity, you can settle in this field permanently. In IVR coding, you learn every day. If you have more passion to learn, go for IVR coding. Sixth position goes to the medical coding auditors. These people they work as coding managers or process head or vertical heads or SMEs. I suggest one thing: if you have CPC certification, if you have experience of 4 to 5 years, please do the Six Sigma Black Belt or go for the MBA distance certification. Management qualification like MBA or Six Sigma, CPC certification, and CPM certification. The potential is huge. You can work as a coding manager. Demand is more for the top positions. You have to be very smart, not only subject knowledge, but also people management. If you have passion to learn more, if you want to go to higher position, to management position, if you have that skill in you, if you have that fire in you, do the MBA or Six Sigma, immediately apply for the higher positions. If you have CPMA, yes, you'll get job easily along with the MBA or Six Sigma Black Belt. HL7 means health level 7. It's a different domain completely related to the electronic medical records, EMR. You know what is meaning of telemedicine, telehealth. Now demand is going to be increased for telehealth. So when you implement EMR telehealth, we require HL7 architects. And to become HL7 certified coder, you should have the CPC certification. And my students who have done HL7, they earn more up to 70 to 80,000 per month, and they're placed in companies like Wipro, Siemens, HCL, Infosys. And remember, HL7 is global. If you get certification HL7, you can work anywhere in the world. But keep one thing in the mind: just with certification, you won't get the visa. If you have visa, then only you do the certification. Because to get a visa nowadays, there are so many norms are there. And if you have the certification called FHIM, Fellowship in Health Information Management, you can get job easily. So any CPC coder, by profession, by education, medical doctor, if you want to go to, if you wish to go to the software side, then choose the HL7 and EMR domain. Cardiology coders, as I said, cardiology coding is complex coding. Employers they see for the triple C certified coders, experience minimum 5 years, and salaries are very huge for this because cardiology claims has a high dollar value. So a single mistake, they lose money in dollars, thousands of dollars. So hence cardiology coders has huge demand. So go for the triple C certification. HIPAA officers, compliance officers. As per OAG, every 50 employees we require one HIPAA officer. There are people who done CP, CO and CHA with knowledge in RCM and firewall cybersecurity. Salaries are very huge. If you are a CPC coder with the experience of 2 to 3 years, and if you don't want to do the coding, and if you are a BTech graduate or MBA, non-life science, but as CPC, then I suggest you to go for the HIPAA training and pass CHA exam and join as a compliance officers. HIPAA officers are paid more. Why? Because as per the OAG, 50 employees, for every 50 employees, we require one HIPAA officer. So knowledge of RCM, cybersecurity, CPC coding, and if you're a BTech graduate or MBA graduate, definitely can get a very good position in the HIPAA compliance area. Don't miss this opportunity. Denial management experts. Actually, I can say this is top 2 position. Why? Because denial management experts should have knowledge in the medical coding and knowledge in medical billing. Means they should have a knowledge in 360 degrees. Means medical coding, medical billing, good communication, and English knowledge and English grammar especially. Because denial management experts, they communicate with the doctors in US and nurses. These are the people who brings revenue to the company and revenue to the doctor offices. So if you're a CPC coder, please go for the CMBS or CMR certification and ready to work for night shifts. Then you can become the DM expert. In every medical coding billing company, DM experts are required. You can see vacancies are more in DM domain, denial management. Why? Because completely night shift. If you if you are good in communication, English grammar, if you have CPC, then don't miss this opportunity. It's an excellent opportunity. Most of my students who are non-life science, especially BTech or MBA, who have CPC, they go for DM. And one good thing is non-life students makes more money. Why? Because they work in night shifts and they work on the denial management, where the salaries are huge for this denial management because completely night shift and highly skilled job. So these are the top 10 coding jobs. Now you decide exactly which one to choose. If you are a medical doctor by education like BAMS, BHMS, BDS or BPT or B Pharmacy, go for IPDRG or IVR coding or triple C. And non-life science graduates, I suggest to go for the HL7 or HIPAA compliance officers or denial management experts. There are some jobs are there which are known as cancer registry, HEDIS. These things I'm going to explain within 2 or 3 days. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates. Thank you. Any questions, please WhatsApp me 99 669 medicineglobal.com. All the best.